Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today it's Monday, August 26. So, let's start with something really important here, which is weekly candle close. As you can see on my chart, we closed strong at 64k approximately, and I think we should at least be careful here. I don't think it's a good idea to chase anything here after we reached 61.8. You can see the market is rejecting that level. So everyone should be extra careful hunting long ideas here on Bitcoin. For the short ideas, well, on lower time frame is possible, but I could easily see if the market will keep pushing higher. I could easily see a push with a week to the upside to 69, maybe 70k. Look left and you'll see the levels here. You can see the liquidity hidden here. But for the moment we are at 61.8 and we are rejecting that level. What I like is the fact that we are respecting the fib level. That's important. I know that I draw correctly the fib, and I'll wait to see if we'll accept in the short reload zone. We'll push to the 78.6. You can see candle body highs here, or the rejection at 61.8 will be enough to push us back down at the long reload zone. You can see long reload zone didn't change too much. On weekly basis, 55, it's a 61.8. Look left, you have candle body lows, so it's still possible to reach that level. Overall on weekly, still lower highs and lower lows. So don't think on weekly we are bullish. No. It's an expanding wedge there and it's ugly. Not bullish for the moment. If we'll accept above the 69, consolidate, stay there, okay, maybe we can change. But on weekly chart, we are still in the same fuckery. Morning Bukur, morning Tolga, morning Robert. So on weekly, we are there. A lot of people will become bullish here. You saw it from yesterday. Yeah, everyone is bullish. Well, bears get fucked and this and that. Okay. I'm not saying it's not strong. The price is strong, but we have to zoom out and we have to see exactly where we are. And if you look on this, the all-time high and this last low, 49, we are in the short reload zone. We just touched 61.8 and we rejected that level. How this candle will close, I don't know. As this candle needed a retest, this green one needs also a retest. This week needs a retest. So retest everywhere. Level by level, we should think, I don't know if you should think short here, but at least we should not chase. Indicators, well, love to see that we close above 50 on weekly basis on RSI. That's okay. We didn't confirm this bullish, this big one, but acceptable. On OBV, we have a confirmed bullish divergence, which is really nice. But that doesn't mean we should chase in a short reload zone. Short reload zone is for short ideas. Okay, that's weekly on Bitcoin. Not too many things to say more about this one. Ethereum, weaker than Bitcoin. You can see we just have a small bounce. I'll hide everything and you can see this is not bullish. This is not a bullish pattern. I said it multiple times. A lot of people will say, well, Ethereum could outperform. Yeah, but show me a W, show me something here. We are against a big range and big yams, and we are below the resistance level. So we don't have the strength even to touch that $3,000. For me, that means it's weak, and indicators are confirming that. Let's put the drawings back. You can see long reload zone, it's a lot lower. A retest here means even 66, 50% means $2,350, maybe lower, who knows. Idea is that it's lagging Bitcoin, and I don't see a weekly W. I don't see anything to tell me, well, okay, this one will push higher. Bitcoin dominance. Well, Bitcoin dominance, let's close the... You can see it's fighting here. 57. If we'll accept higher, well, 60 is the next level. You saw that. But indicators, at least RSI is trying to tell us that the market is not so strong as we see here. We can get another push higher, maybe 60%, and then back down. Not too many things to say on weekly. I'll go back on daily on this one, because on daily we have something. I'm keep telling you that. Hopefully someone will pay attention. Yeah, let's see what will happen here. If we'll go below 56.6, then we'll have big M's. If we'll accept above the highs, then look at the W's, and we are accepting above 57, and we can push to 60. Yeah? Pretty simple here. AB equals CD is pointing out to 60%. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, but I want weekly. Yeah. Deeper in the long reload zone, I need a clear W to think reversal. Until I'll see a weekly W, preferably in the long reload zone or below, I'm not thinking reversal. So Ethereum versus Bitcoin is underperforming. Okay, let's take a look at total. Yeah, similar pattern like on Bitcoin. Total too, similar. I saw a bit of strength here on total 3, but still same pattern. On weekly you can see it clearly. Clear downtrend, downtrend channel, testing the high of the channel. We have to respect that. We still have lower highs and lower lows. Yeah? We have to change that, but it'll take some time. Well, the overview, it's pretty simple from my side. Not too many things we can do or we can discuss here. Let's go on the day trading part, and let's see ideas from last week or from last week's, and maybe we can find something new for this one, for today at least. So, morning Shogun, morning Catalin. Last week we had this bot setup. Trade done, next boss, good job if you took the trade. If not, well, next boss. Yeah, was a clear bot setup, nice W's, 1, 2, 3 lows, and up we go, 3 to 1 hit. If you want to trail, well, okay, but look at this yam here. It's trying to form an yam here. And I don't see bearish divergence on... I don't see bearish divergence, but I will take the trade here. I think was a good idea, at least 75%. Trail the rest if you want, but book some profit. Alt, well, if you are still thinking this one, this move has legs, well, you have alt here at the entry of the bot. If you remember, last week I said about this one, it's lagging and it's not so strong. And you can see, need to even bother to touch 50%, which is not a bullish idea here. I could still see this bot setup working out if Bitcoin will hold the levels. If Bitcoin will drop $2,000-3,000, well, this one will hit the stop loss and that's it. So be careful, take it if you want. If not, just leave it there. Bitcoin, well, this template is for something else. I'll go back later. You can see the bot setup on Bitcoin. Yeah, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3 lows, entry. We are above 50%, so our stop loss should be at scratch at least. I'm not a big fan of moving a stop at scratch at 50%, but you can see here 1, 2, 3 lows. You can put, if you want to be a bit more aggressive, you can put your stop loss here, 58,500. Yeah. When I posted these bot setups, not too many people trust the setups. I said, well, no, it's bearish. Well, I am a stupid trader. I have to play my setups. That makes me profitable. CRV, we are trying to get long, but we need market to come back down here. So we could modify this one and put something like this. Pretty simple. No? I could see here in the top, shoulder, head, shoulder, and touching 61.8 and give us an entry. For the moment here, yeah, I prefer not to short, you know me. So I prefer to just wait on the sidelines, maybe I'll get along. Dimension, well, dimension, AB equals CD, same fucking bot setup, a bit more aggressive. If you took the entry here, okay, never retested this level. But the bot setup was there, who managed to take it, good job. E-gold, similar pattern, we discussed this one multiple times, hit the target. If you want to trail 25%, it's up to you, or you can book the profit entirely, again, up to you. Ethereum, well, Ethereum, I see something here on 4-hour chart. I don't know if you can see it like me, but I could see something. Yeah? This is not bullish. Just look at this range. Yeah? Let's consider this one a range. Breaking down, bearish retest, dump chaser zone, some yams on 4-hour chart. Can see it? Even a head and shoulder pattern here. I'm not saying that it will go straight down. Could consolidate, could even SFU the highs, but for the moment is not looking too bullish. Sorry. We just SFU the old high and we accept it back below, which is not bullish. FET, I underestimated this one. I said, well, we need to consolidate more, and look what happened. So I'm not, I don't know, a guru or something. My idea was that need more consolidation, and you can see it pumped really nicely. We missed the trade. Was a nice consolidation here, but we don't have to catch them all, just some of them. And now we are pushing here. You can see the YAM. We are retesting that initial YAM. Don't chase here, please don't do it. ING, AB equals CD completed. We are close to short reload zone. Maybe we'll push another step higher, but location is telling us to leave it alone or hunt a short setup if we'll push a bit higher. Up to you. Joe, like I said, is stronger than the rest. We had the W the other side and never look back. We are in the short reload zone now. We have bearish divergence here. Don't chase it. Was strong until now. Now has bearish divergence. If you want to short it here, find a pattern here and try a short. Okay, you have location, that's for sure. So let's take this swing high with this swing low and let's put a short reload zone. Okay. Okay, you have location. You have bearish divergence. You just need a clear EM and you have a setup. But I'll short Joe? No. Manta, similar. I don't know if we touch the take profit. Almost. At the point here. But you can see AB equals CD, similar. Almost all the altcoins of most of them, they had the same pattern. A, B, C, D. Pixel, if you remember I said AB equals CD, well, we hit that on the dot, look left, we reached some resistance, we are going back down. Here you can wait, like I said, in pump chaser zone. You have some confluences here, if you'll see a W, okay, if not, wait lower in the long reload zone. Don't chase here, similar. You can see on PITE, A, B, C, D, but I love the confluence here. And I would love to see the market going back down in this small long reload zone, yeah? Only from this low to this high. And here if I'll find a nice W, then I could play around. And let me show you something nice, what I'm assuming. Okay, this is the high, this is the low, okay? And let me put the pump chaser zone. Can you see some confluence? What is pump chaser zone from the entire range, yeah, from this low to this high? It's a long reload zone if you take only this AB equals CD. And if you look left, you have some support here. And if you look left even more, you will see that you have, again, more confluences there. So I'll gladly wait here for a W, something like this. If I'll see a W here, okay, I'll take a trade. On daily time frame, it's an SS setup. I know Filipina loves SS setups. So that's here. You can see the second move. We broke the structure here and we are waiting at 61.8. You can take 61.8, stop loss all the way down here. So something. If we'll get here, we can analyze and we can discuss it. Maybe we can take a new trade. Solana, you can see what I see on the chart. We touched 61.8, we rejected. We are kind of playing fib pong here. Adam and Eve here. Now you can see this is Adam, this is Eve. Don't ask me why this pattern is called like that. So you have Adam and Eve here. We are in a short reload zone, but I could easily see market. If Bitcoin will hold these levels, I could see Solana pushing higher. I'll take the trade here. I prefer to play something else, not Solana. I'll be honest. It's pretty strong, but I prefer not to play it. Okay, Ton. Well, with the bad news, okay, we can retest this level, $6.40. But because they had bad news, I managed to get on 50-minute chart. I even posted on VIP, I think. And I took this, you can see, initial move down, bounce, give us a swing high, even lower. And I had an area where to put my short reload zone and hunt here. Pretty strong market, didn't stop us out, and now we have new yams. So I'm okay with this trade. Stefan took the trade a bit higher here at 5.9, $6 almost. 5.9. So he's a bit deeper in the profit. After I took the trade, I told Stefan, I want a bit higher. Okay, that sounds good. And you can see he's in profit now. I'm expecting this one because they have bad news with Pavel arrest. I think it's possible, maybe probable, but never guaranteed in this market to reach $4.6, maybe lower. Tron. Well, on 4-hour chart. Let's go on 4-hour chart. Well, that's why I recommended not to short something like Tron. Damn strong. When you see a move strong like this, some people will remember, some people not. After you see a strong move like this, you will see market breaking down and reaching short reload zone. But actually, what they will do, they will take the high. So people who shorted in this area will get stopped out, and then you'll form the real pattern. We'll do an AB equals CD, or we'll M out and go down. But usually they'll take the liquidity here. That's a classic move for altcoins. Everyone will, well, let's draw the short reload zone, I'll take the trade. No. Put your entry where your stop loss should be. So put your entry here. Because most of the altcoins will go take the liquidity and then break down if will be the case. Here, well, I could see an AB equals CD, but I'm not touching Tron for the moment. It's too damn high. Zoom out on weekly and you'll understand me. Okay, I'll just put it here. What the fuck I should do here? Come on, look left. We are at the levels from 2021. Could outperform, yeah. If you think Tron will outperform, go and play Holy Grail on 50-minute chart. But on 4-hour chart, no. Okay, so we look at the coins here. You can see Aave, for example, on other list. You can see here, nice move up. Nice move up, this was the start of the move. I could put it even from the lows, doesn't matter, it's similar. And you can see what I see here, yeah, bearish divergence, and some yams trying to form. What you do with Aave, it's up to you. I'll short this one? No. Like I said, I'm trying to avoid shorting, and I'm trying to buy the dip. It's that simple. I know I'll miss some trades, but overall it's my decision, it's my plan, and I think it's better that way. I prefer to focus only in one direction, and that's long. We are in 2024, let's not forget that. Well, these ones, they have good patterns on higher time frame, probably, let's say, weekly. Yeah? That's why they are marked on my chart here. You can see Aave, nice W, weekly Ws. SAT, similar. Yeah? You can see we have a weekly W. Auction, similar, weekly W. City, trying to form a weekly W. Yeah? At least it's trying here. Similar, trying to form a weekly W. And you can see the entire list is kind of similar. If we look at the rest, something like this, they have still a lower low here. So it's a bit too early to say. But these ones, they are a bit closer to a bottom than the rest. Well, that's my my way to see the market for a Monday morning. I don't know what happened, but my nose is blocked again. Just in the live stream, I don't know. After that, it's okay. Well, guys, that's my overview of the market. Let's take a look, another look at Bitcoin on 4-hour chart. If we take on 4-hour chart, swing low, swing high, swing low, we are in a fucking short reload zone. We just in the morning, we just SFU the yesterday or the Friday high. Yeah, we took that level and we break down. You can see we can aim out here, or we have at least a 3-bar fractal top on 4-hour chart. We have some bearish divergence trying to form here. It's okay-ish. You can see this is a bearish divergence. The indicator doesn't see it, but I could see it. High, low here. High, lower high. And you can see here. This is a bearish divergence confirmed on RSI. Clear one. No? So maybe wait for a clear, yeah. Maybe sit on the sidelines if you think that we can push higher. Yeah, it's possible to touch 69. I said it multiple times. Maybe even higher. But if you want to trade here, you have location, you have bearish divergence, you just need an M. If you don't like to play it like that, well, you can play a different way. Huh? Wait, here, this is a big M. If you flip the chart, M the other side of the trend line, and you have an LJ. Huh? It's up to you. Could be a boring Monday, and we can play around here up and down. Yeah. Could be. We'll see. I don't see any request. So we can call it a live stream. Slacker says that it's taking liquidity. Yeah, possible. We can, if we'll touch, I don't know, 62, 60. I'll definitely find a long setup. But what I said was not to chase here. Huh? It's trying to form an uptrend, even on 4-hour chart. You can see higher highs and higher lows. But we are in a short reload zone. We need a drop. We need a correction to even think long. I cannot think long in a short reload zone, that's for sure. And Slack trader, just remember or ask yourself, why everyone is bullish in a short reload zone? And why 90% of the people are losing money? Well, and I suspect they are the same people. Market is in a range 70 to maybe 80% of the time. So when I'll see a breakout or assuming that it's a breakout, I'll actually assume that it's a fake out and I'll think range and more profitable. Sometimes, yeah, it's a trend, but most of the time it's a range. I'm not here to make money today. I'm here to make money on the long run. So I want the probabilities on my side. And if the range, market is in a range 70 to 80% of the time, draw your conclusion. I'll tell you honestly, in my experience, it's not a good idea to think bullish here. If we retrace back, at least the pump chaser zone, okay. So you can do pretty easy. Take this level, take this one. This is the pump chaser zone. Give me a W. I see M's, short reload zone here. Give me a W and some location. And we can think about anything else. Okay. I blabbed away 25, 30 minutes. I think it's more than enough. I'll go and day trade scalp with Stefan and VIP guys. See you in the New York session if you are a premium member. We'll start Capua 1 in 1 week and probably even Capua 2. So if you want to participate in that education program, please reach out to me or Stefan for Capua 2. Yeah. That being said, see you guys next time. Bye bye.